T, you look really crazy right now. Your space is a mess. You look a mess. Your lace is freaking lifting. Your mirror is dirty. You talking to yourself in the mirror and your mirror is dirty. Just a reflection of your space. And you acting real lazy. So look, girl to girl T, you need to get the up and be that bad that you are. Get to the bag. Get out of your lazy girl era. It's 3 p.m. on a random Thursday and your space is so dirty while you're doom scrolling on TikTok.
I don't care what anybody says.
Just wasting your time and your life away when you know you have responsibilities that you need to take care of. Get up. Procrastination doesn't get you the life you want. Start changing your life and your mindset today. The first step, which is also the hardest step, is getting up and getting out of your bed.
You must not know what you just thought. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit regardless. Get my coin and swipe that bitch and now the spirit to charge. Making music, being on bitches, I be really march. I got hands for a hoe. I get bands for a show. You want chance after chance after chance, nigga, no. I keep saying, bring up phone. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down soon as I land on them folks.
While cleaning, you work yourself up an appetite. We're not gonna go on Uber Eats and DoorDash and all those things. Those foods that you order off of these websites cause you to be sluggish. We're gonna go into this fridge and find something healthy to eat. The goal here is to fuel the body, give yourself energy so that you can complete the rest of your daily tasks. Ooh, I am so hungry. I can't wait to eat. Dang, can't wait to eat.
You know I never dream. I'm mixing with that energy. I need my enemies to cease. I know they wanna find a crease. God they see in me. Hallelujah. Give me the walk, but it's heavy on my palms. I watch my walk, cause they heavy on your arm. You hit my line, but I'm talking to my mom. And when it's time, I'll be talking up with God. Any money, man, I think you ain't. Any night, I think you I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm kicking dynamite. I feel your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them nothing kill my vibe. Them nothing kill my vibe. Them nothing kill. Them nothing kill. Them nothing kill my wise backside. Follow the sauce. Yeah, you shall find a piece of a shine. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Okay, with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me, I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Honestly, since moving into my new apartment, this view has been absolutely motivating. I love seeing everybody driving their cars, going to do their day to day tasks, going to wherever. It just shows me that there's other people in the world doing something at the same time, and I need to get up and do whatever it is I need to do for the day. I love this view.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. 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 And I'm sorry for who gave my matter story. I'm only human, so make nobody para. Them say I carry woman, she na man way I for carry. Fuck all the rumors. I be careful when I talk, say I be pastor. Yeah, you know it is not good. I got no. Cause the world go. You're me and the only day that I'm unavailable. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. 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 In my life, I don't have no time, Sanya. Come see me shining like too many birds on my eyes. I'm changing my life, oh, how am I not proud? She got me going, this take on my freedom. I'm a big propeller, safe for the most. I can't go to last, but I keep running. I'm a big propeller, safe for the most. I can't go to last, but I keep running. So I'm a big propeller, safe for the most. I can't go to last, but I keep running. I'm a big propeller, safe for the most. Back off and last. Feeling right back on deal. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still sipping Carol. She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to use Maggiano. Up in the P, out some beaming on knuckles. Thinking I should take the Bronco. Oh yeah, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. They say my body is hollow. Count up, don't make get your post out the ghetto. You know that fool with the motto. Say nigga want to talk out his side of his neck. I just let it be in, come and swallow. Tell my little brother we pullin' up spanking these niggas that thinkin' we hoes. You know I'm Spanish, I don't know what you thinkin', but you help a young nigga grow. You add up the two rings on both of my fingers. Young rich, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, know your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey! I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Call me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas the saddest, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas the saddest, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a cool. I take your beat right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down the walls, loose. Hop in the fall. I tell that they come for me. I swear these is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Bank rolls on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most, yeah. Pull up and goes, yeah. My diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick of voodoo. Courtside with a bad. Then I send it through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the oozing. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my back. You got a low accurate. We from the north, yeah, that way.
finest guy. Hermes ash with the top of my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Hopping on Zeus and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassy. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Two treated bag, got a bitch, I'm a baggy. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Perk of 2 million and murder my hood. Making no money, I made out of the sewer. My heart is sense, me do that, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, bitches gon' embassy, bitch making it to the look at the kid. Heard it the phantom, but making the Canada, bro, get this money like it's my religion. It could be a man, they're saying if any of these niggas that try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100 digits off the gig, that came out the jungle, they kidnapped kids. I trap out of bellows, been turn on the crib. I look at the ocean, the sky through the air. Depending where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, nobody where I'm in. I have touch her ass, she gon' think she Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you helping me win. Niggas can't see me, they no competition. Too many breaks, we no hold on the wrist. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quit. I'm about to eat like a fool with a kid. Chief had a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash with the top of my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Hopping on Zeus and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a baggy. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Perk of 2 million and murder my hood. Making no money, I made out of the sewer. My heart is sense, me do that, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, bitches gon' embassy, bitch making it to the look at the kid. Count up some millions and taxes my blood. Just stuck in my memory, they wish I was love. Man, matching my flight, bitch, you know you a dub. Told you this baby, then you ain't no brother. Time to get mad and I'm back on the E. Flying commercial, you ain't me. Driving a spaceship, no mama, you mean. Push up the trap out and run out the key. Ain't let no fuck nigga holding me back. Put a switch on and then little nigga wet. After I hit you, bitch, give him the back. Ain't got no more, put on the strap. Until the morning, gon' show you no slack. Pull up that cool, ain't no regular cat. Took a few shrooms, I forget where I'm at. Poppin' a text, no friend with a kid. She got a flight.
This is to all my girlies that are going through a slump. Take a day to yourself. Take a day to clean your environment. Get yourself together. Take care of your actual self. Take a shower. Take a bath. Whatever you're doing, whatever you do, let it be to benefit you and your mental. Okay? Let it be because you are mentally preparing yourself to get out of a funk. Little do you know, it's a discipline thing. You may not want to get up and do something, but mentally you want to, but physically you can't. But you have to be strong up here so that everywhere else can be strong as well.
I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I won't show my love and emotion. Endlessly, cut off a good girl, and you know.